Ever wondered how to transform your home into a spotless haven in the blink of an eye? Well, it's all about mastering the art of speed cleaning. This isn't just about moving quickly, it's about cleaning smarter, not harder. Picture this: a home where every item has its place. Surfaces gleam with cleanliness, and the air smells fresh and inviting. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's a dream that can become reality with a few simple strategies. First, gather all the tools and cleaning supplies you need. Think microfiber cloths, a good vacuum, a mop, and your favorite cleaning solutions. Having everything at your fingertips prevents unnecessary interruptions and keeps the momentum going. Next, set a timer. Yes, you heard it right. Time boxing your cleaning tasks can actually make the process more efficient. Allocate a specific amount of time for each room or task and stick to it. Now, start at the top and work your way down. Dust and dirt have a way of settling on lower surfaces. So, start with the ceiling fans, then the furniture, and finally the floors. This way, you're not re-cleaning areas you've already tackled. Don't forget to stay focused. It's easy to get distracted by a pile of old magazines or a drawer full of miscellaneous items. Resist the urge to declutter or organize. Remember, the goal is to clean, not rearrange your home. Also, remember to clean high-traffic areas more often. These are the places that get dirty quickly and can make your entire home feel messy. Think doorknobs, light switches, and kitchen counters. Finally, adopt a clean-as-you-go mentality. Wipe down the bathroom counter after you brush your teeth. Clear the dinner table right after eating. Small actions like these can prevent messes from piling up and save you a lot of time in the long run. So there you have it, the secret to speed cleaning. To recap, gather your tools, set a timer, work from top to bottom, stay focused, clean high-traffic areas more often, and adopt a clean-as-you-go mentality. These strategies are not about rushing through the process, but about making cleaning more efficient and manageable. Remember, a clean home isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a space where you and your loved ones can relax, create memories, and feel at peace. So why not give speed cleaning a try? It might just transform your home and your life. Hi, fries.